Hi guys, back again with another fidget today. So what I'm going to show you today is the EDC everyday carry. Made of titanium, nice weight, nice hole to it, nice feel. I'll just show you exactly how to work it there. Just 2 clicks up, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Nice sound to it. Actually looks really nice, to tell you the truth. Let's try it again there. 1, 2, and 1, 2. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Yeah, look. Short video. Very nice. Nice looking. Well made. Nice weight to it. And the clicks are so nice. Okay. Thanks very much. See you all again.